Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can watch adult content on TikTok. Let's dive in. Do you know that there is a feature on TikTok that allows you to turn on the restricted mode or turn it off in order to select the type of content you would like to be shown on your newsfeed? So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Let's quickly check it out. Now, if you want to control the kind of content you see on your profile, you first of all go to the profile section here, click on the profile icon, and then you see the three buttons on the top right hand corner here. You click on it like this, and then click on settings and privacy. And click on settings and privacy, then you scroll down to where it says content preferences. Click on content preferences. And you click on it, then it will give you the option that says filter keywords. Here you can filter the kind of keywords that you would like to be shown on your timeline whenever you're browsing through TikTok. Let's check it out. Here you can add keywords that you would not like to be shown on your timeline. You can add any keywords here, and then you click on save. So if I click on add keyword here now, so it can allow me to select a keyword, like anything that you don't like to be shown on your timeline. You can just select it here. Let's say I don't want to see anything like and the likes. When you click on all this, then you can just click on where you don't want the keywords to be shown, maybe on your friend list, on your for you page, or the following. Then you click on save. When you click on save, that means these keywords and others related to them, they will not be shown on your timeline. So these are the keywords that I have filtered out on my timeline now. Now here's the big part, the restricted mode. When you click on restricted mode, when you turn it on, what it means is that you have turn off the restricted mode, and it will now start to show you adult content and mature content. But when you turn it off, what it means is that you have not limited any type of content that you can be shown on TikTok. So they can show you adult content, they can show you mature content. But when you turn it on, that means you are now in the restricted mode. You will not be shown any matured or adult content on TikTok. So that's simply how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification icon so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.